Today we are going to discuss 30 new words. This is the best way of learning vocabulary. There are two kinds of vocabulary words. One is a passive vocabulary, other one is an active vocabulary. Passive is the one you know about the verb, but you don't know how to use it in sentences. Active vocabulary is the real vocabulary. It's in your asset. You know how to use these words in sentences. Here we go.
My first word is garner, and the meaning is jama karna, ikatha karna, and the synonyms are collect, gathered. The researcher garnered substantial data for the study. Gauge, and the synonyms are measure, evaluate, and assess. And the sentence is that his mood can be gauged by his reaction.
Hello, dear friends. How are you doing? We're doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to discuss 30 new words, the brand new words. Lots of words are absolutely new for you guys and girls. And you're going to learn these words not only with their meanings and spellings, but you're going to learn them with the vocabulary, their synonyms and their sentence structures as well. We're going to use those words in sentences. This is the best way of learning vocabulary. There are two kinds of vocabulary words. One is a passive vocabulary, other one is an active vocabulary. Passive is the one you know about the verb, but you don't know how to use it in sentences. And active vocabulary is the real vocabulary. It's in your asset, and you know how to use these words in sentences. Here we go. So, dear friends, here we go. I'm going to invite the first student, and she will let me know the first word, and then so on and so forth. Please, the first word is?
My first word is garner, and the meaning is jama karna, ikatha karna, and the synonyms are collect, gathered.
All right, garner, G-A-R-N-E-R, garner, jama karna, ikatha karna, collect, gather, accumulate, right. Sentence, please.
The researcher garnered substantial data for the study.
The researcher garnered substantial data for the study.
Yes.
Right. Fantastic. The next word, please.
Gauge.
Okay. The next word is gauge. How do you spell it? G-A-U-G-E, gauge. Andaza lagana, napna.
And the synonyms are measure, evaluate, and assess.
Shabash. Assess.
Assess.
Evaluate and measure. Right.
And the sentence is that his mood can be gauged by his reaction.
His mood can be gauged
By his reaction.
by her or his reaction. Right. Thank you. The next word.
My word is generalize. The spelling is Generalize. And
Generalize, right.
and the meaning is natija akhaz karna.
Right.
And the synonym is simplify and conclude. And the sentence is one should not generalize the finding of a small study.
One should not generalize the findings of a small study. Shabash. Great.
My first verse is generate, पैदा करना, पैदा होना. Synonyms produce, create, develop.
Generate. G-E-N-E-R-A-T-E. Paida karna, paida hona. Synonyms are produce, create, or develop. The sentence, please.
The program can generate a random number.
The program?
The program can generate a random number.
The program can generate the random number. Shabash. Yes. Okay, or the new policy is expected to generate employment opportunities. Fantastic. The next one, please.
My first word is genuine.
Okay.
Its meaning is asli haqiqi.
Asli or hakiki, genuine. G-E-N-U-I-N-E, genuine.
The synonym is authentic, real.
Authentic, real, or legitimate, right.
Sentence is genuine friends stand by you in difficult time.
Oh my God, genuine friends stand by you in difficult times. The next word, please.
And my first word is geopolitics.
Okay, geopolitics.
Its meaning in geography, siyasat.
Geography, siyasat, shabash.
And its synonym is international relations.
International relations.
And global politics.
Global politics, shabash.
And its sentence is the region geopolitics affect trade policies worldwide.
The region geopolitics, इलाके की जो geopolitics, geography सियासत है, affect मुतासिर करती है trade policies worldwide. पूरी दुनिया में trade policies को. Right. The next word, please.
My first word is grant. Its meaning in Urdu is ata karna, dena.
Grant, grant,
Yes.
अता करना देना, शाबाश.
Its synonyms are provide, allocate, award.
Award, provide, allocate,
Yes.
shabash.
And its sentence is the university has granted him a scholarship on his research.
The university granted him a scholarship for his research, shabash. The next word, please. G, the next word.
My next word is gratification.
Gratification, itminan, ya
Taskin,
taskin, shabash.
pleasure, satisfaction, and contentment.
Synonyms इसके हैं satisfaction, pleasure और contentment,
Yes.
shabash.
Okay, gratification.
Its sentence, please.
The immediate gratification of social media can be addictive.
The immediate gratification of social media can be addictive, shabash. The next word, please.
Gregarious.
The next word is gregarious,
Yes.
spelling
Gregarious.
gregarious, and it's
Their synonyms are social, friendly, and outgoing.
social, friendly, outgoing, milansar, samaji, shabash.
Sentences that Pakistani people are very gregarious and honest in nature.
Oh my God. Pakistani people are gregarious and honest in nature. अगर ऐसा होता तो क्या ही बेहतर होता. पूरी दुनिया में पाकिस्तानी लोगों पर वीजास की पाबंदी लग रही है इस वजह के बड़े बड़े ग्रेगरियस हैं. ग्रेगरियस इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमास. यू नो, आपको पता ही है कि पाकिस्तानी बाहर जब होते हैं तो क्या क्या गुल खिलाते हैं. शाबाश. G, next word, please.
Sir, my second word is grievance, and the spelling is Grievence.
Grievance.
And
Grievance होता है शिकायत, गिला.
And its synonyms is sir, objection and complaint.
हमसे कोई शिकवा शिकायत हो तो जुबान पर लाओ. गुंग कर लेना मोहब्बत में जुबान ठीक नहीं. हम तुझे दिल के धड़कने का सबब जानते हैं तो उससे खाली हो कोई गिरिया जहाँ ठीक नहीं. राइट. Grievance.
Yes. Sir,
जी.
and my sentence is the word
इसका होता है synonym saying complaint,
And
objection
objection.
and concern. जी, sentence.
the workers presented their grievance to the management.
The workers presented their grievance. उन्होंने अपनी शिकायत का इजहार किया to the management. शाबाश. The next word, please.
My second word is great. Himmat, wastakiyat,
जी. ग्रेट होता है हिम्मत और इस्तकामत.
istikhamat.
हाँ जी.
Synonymous, perseverance,
Perseverance. इसके
Resilience.
synonyms हैं
Resilience.
resilience
determination,
और determination. बहुत शानदार वर्ड हैं आपके. जी.
and sentences she showed grit by never giving up on her dream.
She showed a grit by never giving up on her dreams. कभी उसने ख्वाब को give up नहीं किया और उसने
On
अपनी
her dream.
इस्तकामत का इजहार किया इस तरह से. शाबाश.
My,
The next word, please.
my second word is gross.
This is not the second word. Maybe it's your second word, but it's the overall 12th word. 12वां word है. जी.
My second word is gross. Its meaning is majmu'i kul.
कुल और मजमूई. शाबाश.
Synonym are overall, entire.
Overall and entire and total.
Sentence is the company's gross income is 1 million rupees.
The company's gross revenue increased by 20% or gross revenue is 1 million. Okay, $1 million or pounds or euros. Okay, the next one, please.
And my second word is groundbreaking, and its meaning in Urdu is Jadid Inqlabi,
Yes, groundbreaking. तो इसके synonyms क्या हुए फिर?
innovative, revolutionary.
Innovative, revolutionary or pioneering. Right.
And its sentence is the scientists introduced a groundbreaking theory in physics.
In physics. Okay. The scientists, Newton showed the groundbreaking theory of न्यूटन की कौन सी ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग थ्योरी है?
Apple.
जी, लॉ ऑफ मोशन की बात की. बिल्कुल ठीक है जी. उसकी बहुत ही ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग थ्योरी है. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज प्लीज.
My second word is gruesome. Its spells are Gruesome. Its meaning in Urdu khoofnak, holnak.
खौफनाक, होलनाक, gruesome, Gruesome, gruesome.
Yes, sir. And its synonyms are horrifying, dreadful, ghastly.
horrifying, dreadful, ghastly.
Yes, and its sentence would be the documentary has revealed the gruesome reality of war.
Okay, the documentary has revealed the gruesome reality of war. Shabash. The next one, please. Yes.
My third one is guise.
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 Guise. Roop behroop. Right.
Appearance, disguise, and semblance.
Appearance, disguise,
Yes.
or semblance. Mushabihat. Right.
My sentence is the spy operated under the guise of a journalist.
The spy operated under the guise of a journalist. जासूस ने सहाफी के रूप में काम किया. Right.
Gusto.
Gullible.
Caliber?
Your 16 number है.
Naive, trusting.
The word is gullible. G-U-L-L-I-B-L-E. Gullible. सादा लो, भरोसा करने वाला. Naive. N-A-I-V-E. Naive. इसके synonyms हैं trusting, easily deceived. Sentence क्या है जी?
Gullible people often fall for online scams.
Yeah, gullible people often fall for online scams. Right. सादा लोग अक्सर ऑनलाइन धोखाधड़ी का शिकार हो जाते हैं.
So my third word is gusto, and the spelling is G-U-S-T-O. Gusto.
Gusto,
And its meaning
जोश व खरोश, लगन,
Jasba.
जज्बा.
And sir, its synonym is passion and zeal.
जी.
And
Enthusiasm, zeal, passion. Right. Sentence क्या है जी?
sir, if you doing work with gusto, you will taste the success.
Yeah, she performed her speech with great gusto. ये भी हो सकता है. शाबाश. Your sentence is accurate as well. The next word, please.
My third word is galvanize.
Galvanize.
मुतासिर करना.
मुतहर्रिक करना, मुतासिर करना. Synonyms, please. Motivate,
Inspire, and
stimulate. Right.
And my sentence is the leader's speech galvanized the crowd into action.
The leader's speech galvanized the crowd into motion, into action. Shabash.
My third word is gamut.
Gamut. जरा please थोड़ा speed up करे process को. Gamut.
Gamut. Its meaning, Urdu meaning is hudud dairakar.
Right.
The synonym are
Range,
inspire, stimulate.
range, scope, or spectrum. G. Sentence, please.
Sentence is the Shalmi market has a whole gamut of all things.
The market offers the whole gamut of food. Okay, right. The course covers the full gamut of economic theories. Right.
And
ये भी हो सकता है. Next one, please.
Glaring.
Glaring. G.
And its Urdu meaning is numaya.
वासे और नुमाया.
And its
Glaring.
synonyms-
G-L-A-R-I-N-G.
And its synonym is obvious, noticeable.
Obvious, noticeable, evident.
There was a glaring error in the report.
It was a glaring error, बड़ी वाज़े नुमाया गलती थी in the report. Right. The next.
My third word is grasp.
Okay.
Its spells are G-R-A-S-P. And
समझना और गिरफ्त रखना, grasp.
yes, and its synonyms are understand, perceive.
Comprehend, perceive, understand.
Yes, and its sentence is he has a strong grasp in mathematical concepts.
He has a strong grasp of mathematical concept. Shabash.
Yes.
Yes, please. The next one.
Gesticulate.
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 अंदाजा लगाना. Sorry. इशारों से बात करना.
Single motion and gesture.
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 Right.
He gesticulated widely while explaining the concept.
He gesticulated widely while explaining the concept. Shabash.
Giddy.
Giddy. G-I-D-D-Y. Giddy.
Dizzy.
चकरा जाना, चकराना, हक्का बक्का होना.
Dizzy, lightheaded, exhilarated.
Dizzy, lightheaded, exhilarated. Shabash.
She felt giddy after spinning around too fast.
Yeah, she felt giddy. तेजी से घूमने के बाद वो चकराने लगी. Shabash. The next one, please.
Sir, my fourth word is grim.
Grim. G-R-I-M. Grim.
Sakht sanjida.
Sakht or sanjida.
And its synonym is sir harsh and serious.
Harsh, severe, serious.
And the sentence is the stock marketing of Pakistan looks grim.
Yeah, the economic forecast for the country looks grim. Okay. Shabash. The next one, please.
And my fourth word is gumption. Akalmand.
Gumption, Gumption, gumption. Akalmandi, समझदारी.
समझदारी. Intuition.
इसके synonyms में है initiative,
And
resourcefulness,
and
और
resourcefulness.
intelligence.
She showed great gumption by own her business.
She showed great gumption by owning her business.
Owning her business.
Yeah, it takes gumption to start a business from scratch. Basics से start करना business, एक gumption उसमें समझदारी, अकलमंदी दरकार होती है.
Okay.
Wisdom. Gee, the next one.
My last word is gaunt.
Gaunt, Gaunt, gaunt.
It's Urdu
Dubla
meaning-
patla ya lahir. Synonyms, please.
Skeletal, thin.
Yes, the skeletal.
Thin.
Okay.
Sentence is after the illness.
Emaciated or skeletal. इसका sentence क्या है?
After the illness, he looked very gaunt.
Sorry?
After the illness,
After the illness,
he looked very gaunt.
he looked very gaunt. बहुत दुबला पतला, कमजोर thin नजर आया. Next one, please.
Grandiose.
Grandiose. Grandiose. Grandiose.
And it's-
Azim, Shandar.
And its synonym is impressive
Impressive.
and magnificent.
Extravagant or magnificent. इसके synonyms हैं. Sentence, please.
The project was too grandiose to be practical.
The project was too grandiose to be practical. ये मंसूबा बहुत ज़्यादा शानदार था कि अमली ना हो सका. Right. या हो सके.
I have the last word, gratuitous.
G.
It spells out Gratutous.
दोबारा.
Grat.
Gratus. Gratutous. Sorry. Gratutous.
And its meaning is bila wajah ghair zaruri.
Okay.
Its synonyms are uncalled for, unwarranted.
Unnecessary, uncalled for, or unwarranted.
Yes. Its sentence would be the movie contained gratuitous violence.
Gratuitous violence का इजहार किया मूवी ने. Right. The next one. Right. The second last word for today, please.
My word is gregarity. اجتماعی رویہ ملنساری.
Gregarity, Gregarity, gregarity. इज्तिमाई रवैया या मिलनसारी. Synonyms are
Sociability,
sociability.
friendliness,
Okay.
and companionship.
All right.
Gregarity is a common trait among the successful
Networkers. Social successful networkers के दरमियान gregarity बहुत ही common factor होता है. G, the last.
Gyrate. घूमना, चक्कर लगाना.
Okay, gyrate, Gyrate, gyrate.
And their synonyms
Rotate.
are spin, twirl.
Right.
The dancer gyrated to the rhythm to the music.
The dancer gyrated to the rhythm of the music. रकासा मौसीकी की धुन पर घूम रही थी. Thank you very much indeed, everybody, for giving a wonderful vocabulary today.